Today, we're diving deep into the cryptic world of Nostradamus, exploring a quatrain that has puzzled scholars for centuries. We're talking about Century I, Quatrain 82. Get ready, because this one is a real mindbender that could point to a future event shaking the very foundations of Europe. First, let's hear the original words written back in 1568. In Old French, Nostradamus wrote, Comme les colonnes de bois grandes trembly, d'Auster conduict, couverte de rubriche, tant vuidera de hors grande assembly trembler Vienna and le pays d'Austrich. It sounds mysterious, right? Let's break it down line by line to see what secrets it might hold. The modern English translation reads, When the great wooden columns tremble, led by austere conduct, covered in red, so much it will empty out the great assembly. Vienna and the land of Austria will tremble. Every word here is packed with potential meaning, so let's unpack this together. Let's start with the first line, when the great wooden columns tremble. What could these wooden columns represent? The imagery is powerful. Historically, this could refer to the masts of a great naval fleet, suggesting a massive sea battle or maritime event. Think of the Spanish Armada or the Battle of Lepanto, where wooden ships dominated the seas. The trembling could signify the chaos and destruction of naval warfare, but let's think more metaphorically. Wooden columns could also symbolize foundational structures of society or government. Imagine a grand hall, a parliament, or a courthouse supported by massive wooden beams. If these columns tremble, it suggests the entire institution is on the verge of collapse. It's a symbol of instability, a sign that the pillars holding up a system are failing. Could this be about political or social structures, rather than literal wood? Now for the second line, which adds a layer of human agency. Led by austere conduct, covered in red. This is where it gets really interesting. Austere conduct points to a strict, disciplined, almost severe form of leadership. This isn't a leader who compromises. This is someone with an iron will and a rigid ideology. And what about covered in red? The color red is incredibly symbolic. It could represent ecclesiastical authority, like the red robes of cardinals in the Catholic Church. This might suggest a religious figure or movement is behind this great upheaval. Alternatively, red is the color of revolution, of blood, of radical political change. Think of the red flags of socialist or communist movements. This could be hinting at a political revolution led by a powerful, uncompromising figure or group. So we have trembling foundations, either literal or symbolic, under the command of a strict leader draped in red. What's the result? The third line tells us, so much it will empty out the great assembly. This is a powerful image of exodus and chaos. A great assembly could be a parliament, a senate, a major international conference, or even a large public gathering. The fact that it empties out suggests panic, disagreement, or a forced dispersal. People are fleeing. The meeting, whatever its purpose, is shattered. This signifies a complete breakdown of order and dialogue. Finally, the prophecy gives us a specific geographical focus. Vienna and the land of Austria will tremble. This is the climax of the quatrain. Vienna has historically been a major political and cultural center of Europe, the heart of the Habsburg Empire for centuries. For Vienna and Austria to tremble implies a massive shockwave hitting the core of Europe. It's not a minor event. It's a crisis of such magnitude that its effects are felt far and wide, causing fear and instability in a key European nation. So let's piece it all together. A strict, red-clad authority figure or movement causes a foundational structure to shake. This leads to the chaotic collapse of a major gathering, and the resulting shockwaves of fear and instability ripple out to strike Vienna and Austria. What could this be referring to? One interpretation points to a future political upheaval. Imagine a charismatic authoritarian leader, perhaps with revolutionary ideals, rising to power. Their actions could cause a major international body, like the United Nations or the European Parliament, to fall into disarray. The resulting instability could create a crisis that particularly threatens the security and stability of Central Europe, with Austria at its epicenter. Another theory leans towards a religious interpretation. A powerful figure from within a major religious institution, symbolized by the red robes, could enforce a strict doctrine that splinters the organization. This internal conflict could spill over into the political realm, causing widespread panic and political turmoil that directly impacts Austria, a country with deep historical ties to the Catholic Church. The beauty and frustration of Nostradamus is that his prophecies are open to interpretation. He gives us the puzzle pieces, but it's up to us to see how they might fit together. Is this a prophecy that has already been fulfilled in some forgotten historical event? Or is it a chilling warning about something yet to come? Could the wooden columns be something we haven't even considered in our modern world? What do you think? Do these lines speak of a political revolution, a religious schism, or something else entirely? Let me know your theories in the comments below. I love reading all your different interpretations. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mysteries of Nostradamus, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more explorations into the world's greatest prophecies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.